Today we're going to be showing you how to change the heads on the Wahl Lithium Ion Plus personal hair trimmer, beard trimmer, whatever. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. That's right, the whatever, it's the Lithium Ion Plus, that model number 9818. Okay, I just did a unboxing video for it. So now I said I was going to show you guys how to change the heads, okay, and put the different guards and stuff on it. So it's actually really easy. I thought it would be complex. I kept looking for some kind of release button. It's not. You just take it from the top here, and you're going to lift. You're going to pull straight back from the top side, the front side, where that. So you put your thumb here, fingers here, and pop. That's it. Okay. Nose hair trimmer. It's alright, you gotta clean those buggers out. Okay, first we're gonna make sure it's going the right direction. Okay, and there's a little clip. Yeah, there you can see it now. That's gonna fit in the bottom there first. Okay, and then snap. Okay, easy enough. Pop that off. And the same goes for the other ones too. Here's our little detail trimmer. Again, there's a little clip. This one's harder to see because it's white. So I'm going to put that down in place. And then just make sure everything's lining up. And snap. Okay, so let's go back to the main head. Our main hair trimmer here, because that's the one that's going to take the guards. Okay. Put that back in place. The guards go on real easy, but I did notice there are some little notches. I don't think I can make you see it. Right here on the very ends, there's a little notch. So when you slide it in, be careful. You don't just stick it on top and then clip it, because you see what happened right there. Do you see how it's not in? So you actually got to kind of put it in place and slide it forward. Okay, and there's a couple notches there that help hold it in place. One on each side. They're really tiny to see. So just slide. Okay, right in front of the camera. So we're going to slide it down and snap the back. Okay, and you'll see that it's level and even on both sides. You got it in right. And that actually holds on really good. Okay, I was afraid. I've got the corded version of this I use for my hair. I thought this would be great to use because I use it for my hair and my beard, and I don't have to mess with the stupid cord. Well shoot, I think that's about it for this video. I'll show you how to change the heads out and attach the guards. So those are the two little tricks on those. This product is available on Amazon, and I do have a clickable link in the description down below. If you click on that, not only are you going to get the right product, the one that we're showing here in the video, but it helps support us on the channel, on the website. It helps us to continue to bring you more videos. So great, please do so. Take a minute and click the subscribe button there, and click on that little bell to the right that gives you notifications when we put out new videos. Below that will be a link to my website, hundreds of more videos organized really well. And then over here, some additional videos, okay, including the review video for this thing when I finally get that done. Okay, thanks again.